According to David Lynch, one of the most innovative international directors, videos are 50% visual and 50% sound, and, sometimes, the sound overplays the visual. For this reason, it is important to include good sound in the video. Many video creators tend to focus more on the visuals at the expense of the music being used in the video. In practice, this is always a huge mistake that results in an average video. The intention of any video that is shared online is to elicit emotions. This is achievable through the sound of music. The sound does not have to be funny or ridiculous to create the right emotional experience. Given the importance of sound, the best approach is to license good music online from a royalty-free music provider. Even though one can use free music, it is important noting that free music is free for a particular reason. As such, spending a little money on music will enable one to get the best audio possible. Choosing a music track that is perfect adds more value to a newly created video and makes it attractive to the viewers. For this reason, it is important to go the extra mile to sample different beats that are relevant to the subject of the video. One can access high-quality sounds and music from the following sites. First, eMusic is a subscription-based store that offers a broad range of music in MP3 format. It is the world's largest retailer of independent music and has over 3.5 million tracks. The cost of subscription starts from $11.99 per month, and one can cancel the subscription at any time without losing the music. Second, Amazon sells DRM-free music on its online platform. Amazon has a wide range of offers on different days. Accordingly, one can target these offers to enable them cut on the cost of obtaining quality soundtracks. Third, Audio Lunchbox is an easy-to-explore platform that offers a huge selection from different genres. Users can sign for monthly access or purchase tracks on a la carte basis. When one signs for a subscription, the site offers free downloads of 50 songs. Other possible sites to obtain music and soundtracks of the right quality include Jamendo, Amy Street, Napster, Live Downloads, Bleep, iTunes, and LimeWire Store among others. In general, paying a little amount for the music ensures a person can access high-quality clips to add to the video being created. Moreover, it allows one to access a wide range of soundtracks that are compatible to the video. Once the right sound or music is chosen, it is important to set the audio levels appropriately. In practice, every person creating a video tends to have personal opinions on what audio levels are standards. Accordingly, the recommendations below are not by any means a law when creating the video. The overall mix level can be from -10 decibels to -14 decibels, dialogue should range from -12 decibels to -15 decibels, the music should be from -18 decibels to -22 decibels, and sound effects should be from 10 decibels to -20 decibels. In conclusion, the right song with right settings can literally command the audience to feel the way they are supposed to feel when watching the video. Therefore, one should dedicate sufficient time to choose and add the right song to any newly created video.